Okay, hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Garden, and I just wanted to show you my persimmons. Alright, see how they're getting ready. I got them wrapped up in this sock, so I just didn't want them to fall off. And basically, look how small this tree is. This is a persimmon tree, and look how small it is, right? So, usually, when my trees are that small, I do not allow them to fruit, but I decided to let these grow and add some size to them. There's one persimmon on here. And here you go. The other ones, these are Fuji persimmon, grafted trees. So I decided to let these grow, right? Shape them up, get some size. So next year, these will fruit. And my smaller persimmons, I will not allow the fruit. I'll take the fruit off, like this one. So she's going to do only growing next year. She is not going to be allowed to fruit. And I'm going to allow my bigger persimmons to fruit. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got a total of 7 persimmon trees. And because I love them. And I like the crunchy, so I'm with the non-astringent type, you know. So yeah, that's another easy tree to grow. I don't have to worry about protecting it in the wintertime because it needs chill hours. So, yeah, just bring you the persimmon. Again, this is another easy fruit tree to grow for beginning fruit tree gardeners. And what I mean by with the beginning fruit tree gardeners is you put the tree in the ground and basically I let it do what it do. And that's what brings me peace. When I come out in my yard, I like to come out in my yard and take my walk around, look at the trees, talk to them, see how they doing, and just enjoy the gardening experience. So I try to make sure I get fruit trees that I'm going to enjoy. And I don't have to do a whole lot of work for them, but they can do a lot of work producing for me. Okay, if you enjoyed this video content, please hit that thumbs up button. Please make sure you subscribe and share my videos with other like-minded people as ourselves as beginning fruit tree gardeners. And have a blessed day. Goodbye.